Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled you're joining me today for another exploration into the wonderful world of English vocabulary. Today, our word of the day is blue. Yes, the color blue. It's an A1 level noun, and it means the color of the sky. Blue is one of the most basic colors we learn, and it's all around us. It's a primary color, which means it can't be made by mixing other colors. When we say something is blue, we're often talking about its color, but sometimes it can have other meanings, which we'll get into later. Let's first talk about synonyms for blue, words that share a similar meaning in some contexts. We could use words like sapphire or azure. For example, the ocean was a deep sapphire shade. Or, the sky was a clear azure. Notice how these words, while meaning a shade of blue, often suggest specific types or intensities of the color. Now, let's consider antonyms, words that are the opposite of blue. Since blue is a color, the opposite isn't a single word, but rather a range of colors that are not blue, like red, yellow, or green. For example, the opposite of blue on the color wheel is yellow, or the grass was a vibrant green, not blue. So, how do we use blue in everyday life? Well, in a very literal way when we're describing objects. My shirt is blue. I have a blue car. The paint color is a bright blue. We also use it in expressions, such as feeling blue, which means feeling sad. For example, she was feeling a bit blue after the party ended. Or, once in a blue moon, meaning something that happens very rarely. We might also say, he's got a blue ribbon, meaning he won a competition. Think of the classic example, the blue birds are singing. And I love the blue flowers in the garden. Or simply, that's a lovely shade of blue. Let's try one more. The blue paint is on the table. In short, blue is a very versatile word, both for describing literal colors and for figurative meanings. Remember, blue is an A1 level noun. It means the color of the sky. We talked about some synonyms like sapphire and azure. And we touched on antonyms being colors that are not blue, such as red, yellow, and green. We also saw how blue is used in expressions and everyday conversations. Thank you all for joining me today on Hello Word. We really hope this has been helpful. If you enjoyed the episode, please consider subscribing to the podcast and leaving a review. It really does help other people find the show. And before you go, why not try writing your own sentence using the word blue? Share it in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning.